Hello, in this lecture I'm going to describe more about the menu options available inside the Home tab. There are various options available: paste, cut, copy, format painter, change the font size, and whether we want to make it bold, inclined, underlined, if you want to add borders to your boxes, whether you want to have a color fill inside your box, how you want to the text inside the box to appear, like whether you want it colored, you can set it from here. Then there are various options how you want to align text inside the box, then whether how you want to incline the text inside the box, like you want to have it perpendicular, you want to have it at 0 degrees, like this is 0 degrees, vertical would be 90 degrees, so that is the way it gets aligned. And wrap text and merge and center. So all these options we are going to cover in this lecture. In this sheet I have country and capital already listed out uh, for you for convenience. So we are going to use this data to learn all these various options. So this is already matched to the maximum data size, so it can fit into the correctly into the boxes. So if I want to make the first row bold, then like this country and capital to be bold, I select both the two boxes and click bold. So we can change it to bold by clicking it on bold, or if you want to have a keyboard shortcut, you need to press Control plus B. So Control plus P shall give you the same result. So if I press Control B now, it will undo doing bold. If I press it again, it will make it bold. So to make it bold, or make bold, or remove bold, you can use this keyboard shortcut Control plus B. Okay. So if now you want to make it inclined, the same text, you want to make it inclined, you need to select inclined. So italic, so it will be inclined italic. Now if I want to make it uh, by using the keyboard shortcut, it will be Control plus I will make it italic, that is inclined. Okay, so you can see I selected it and then I pressed Control I again, so I can really make it happen incline or italic or not. If I want to make it underline, then I go and click Control U or press it over here, so it will become underline. So there will be various options: underline or double underline. So it will be double underline, then it will double underline. So if I want to make it only a single underline, I will press Control U, and it's gone. If I press it again, Control U, gone. So single Control U will give you CRL plus Control U will make it underline. So here are the three basic things that you can do using this B, I, and U. Now the selected font is Calibri and it is 11 size. So if I want to change it, then I will go and select it over here and then type say Verdana. I want to make it a Verdana font. I type it Verdana and then press enter. Okay, so it's now a Verdana font with 11 size. If I want to change the size of the font, then I can increase or decrease using this. If I keep it 18, it will become very large. If I want to be quickly to increment or decrement without scrolling it, then I can just increment it or decrement it. It will reduce in size of 2 or increase in size of 1. So it depends like how it goes. After 12 it goes up by 2, after till now it's 1, so it depends upon how Excel sees it. Next will be like how you want to, if like whether we want to have a fill, a background fill for these two boxes. Then I need to go and select this fill area. So this is the theme option, so I can have it as a black, I can have it as a white, I can have it as a blue, green. So there are multiple colors, so let me select green. So it will be country capital and it's in green. And I want this text inside these boxes to become white. Then I will go and select it as white over here. So this changes text color. The text entered inside the box will change color based upon the entry over here. And if you want to add background color, you will need to change it through this fill color option. Moving ahead, if you want to add borders to the boxes, then you need to select borders. This is called as a borders option. There are multiple options available here: bottom border, top border, left border, right border, no border, and all borders, outside border. So everything, like how it will look like, is already symbolized over here. Like this one is dark line being drawn over here, which means dark line will be drawn on the left border of each box. So let me show you over here quickly. So this will be, say, bottom border. So you see bottom border, this box has a dark line over here. And then if I want to go for a right border, it will be right border. This will be the right border. This if I want to go for a left border, so this will be left border and right border. I clicked both actually, so that's why it became left border and right border. So if I want no border for over here, like no border, I just want to remove the border over here, I'll click no border, so it's gone. If I want all borders, then I will select all borders. So you see, you can see all borders being drawn. So if I go and select and say click all borders, so you have all borders over here. Then the other next option is the thick border. So outside thick border, so very dark thick border will be drawn. So if I want a very thick dark border to be drawn, yeah, you can see distinctly being drawn around this. So I can highlight it distinctly over here using the dark border. So there are multiple other options available. You can go ahead and try it. There are also options like draw border grid, erase border, and line color. You can set line color, line style, and you can see more on border. So we can go ahead and see if I select this area and then go and select, like, say, draw border. So draw border, I will draw border over here. So this is custom border that I want to draw. So this becomes a custom border. Like you can draw whatever you want, like the way you want. So this becomes a custom border. Then if I want to erase border, so I will select and erase border. So I will select and erase border. So this border gets erased. Mhm. Next is the line color. If I want orange line color, and then I draw the border, so this will be orange lined draw border. Okay, so now moving ahead, we can go ahead with the data. So if we need to escape this, we just click escape button, and yeah, we are out. If we want to align text in this, so this is right now center aligned. So if you want to align text into the left, so this is left aligned right now. If you want to align it into center of the box, then you click center. So this becomes in the center of the box. The text which was on the left now came into center of the box. If you want it to be on right, just click right. So this becomes right of the box. Now if I want to orient this country and capital to be in this direction, angle counterclockwise, so angle counterclockwise will change it to country and capital city. Now if I want to make it into center, I will make it center. So this becomes a more like angular way of looking at the country and capital. I don't know why you want it, but you may want it for making it look good, or based upon your needs, how you want the align the data inside the sheet. Next is the wrap text and merge and center. So let's go to merge and center first. We will just remove the alignment and just say vertical text. Oh, no, no, no. Just hold on. We will say it as a format cell alignment, and we will go to 0, and instead of vertical we will say top intent. Okay, some problem over here. Let me check. Remove the vertical text alignment. Yeah, and now it's country, capital, city. So we have this data with us. Now if I want to merge these two cells, like let's say I will add first insert. I will go and insert it, insert a row. So if I wanted to add any row, then I would just right click or the row and then say insert. Okay, if I want to delete it, delete it. The cut it, cut it. Okay, once I insert it, so okay, so if I want to merge these two cells and make out a heading out of it, so I say merge cells, and it's now merged. So I can have a merge cell around it, and keep the border as all borders, or thick border if I want, say thick border, color field to be say uh, pink, and then start entering. These are list of country and their capitals, capital city, countries rather, the capital cities. So this I want to change it bold, I'll make it bold. This is like making use of merge cell option, wherein like if you want to say you want to enter a lot of data, you can put in merge cell option over here. Then align text and start entering. I am typing data entry here. Okay, so this is what it is, and if I want to get to the new line, I'll enter it, and this is the new line. So this is all about the basic of the options available over here, and we can, yeah, we left out around cut, copy, and format painter. Let's finish this also. So say I want to format this Andorra, or say Angola, to be same as this box formatting, then I need to use format painter option. I click format painter and just click Angola, so it becomes exactly formatted as the cell A2. Okay, so A8 got exactly formatted as A2 because we took the formatting from A2. Now if I want country to become exactly as Armenia, then I'd say format painter and then click country. So you see, you can format it reverse way as well. So format painter is like pasting the formatting of the boxes to the new boxes, so exactly it gets formatted. Another thing is like copy. So if I want to copy Algeria into the new cell, then I need to say copy, and then I click over here and click paste. It will get pasted as Algeria. There are multiple options when I click over here, I can see a lot of options available here. So this says paste is just simple paste formulas, formula and number formatting, and keep source formatting, keep source and column weight. So if I click this, then it will automatically resize the size of the column to be exactly same as the source column. And there are other options like if I want to paste only values, like if I had a functions running around this, then I don't want a function, but I just want the output value to be pasted, then I will use this type of pasting. So more on this in the later lectures. And there are other multiple options, like if you want to paste it as a picture only, it will be pasted as a picture. So this becomes as a picture. So Algeria became as a picture. This, and if I want to delete it, I will just press delete it. So this is all about the basics of the menus available inside the home tab, and stay in touch for the next lecture, wherein we will go ahead and explore more of the rest of the menu options available. Thanks.